Today we are going to see about data and its classification. A variable is a characteristic or attribute that can assume the different values, such as the plant height is a characteristic which assumes the different values 25 centimeter, 27 centimeter, 28.7 centimeter. Likewise, it is assumed the different values. So here plant height is our variable. Data, the values that variable assume. As the variable is a plant height, it assumes the different values 25, 27, 28.7. So these values are nothing but data. Data set, collection of such data values is nothing but data set. Datum, datum is a single point, single data point is called as datum. Random variable, the variable whose values are determined by the chance. Randomly it assumes any number. If you throw a dice, it assumes any number. So the values are by chance. So it is called as a random variable. Now we'll see what are the different classification of data. So based on the source, we have the data classified as primary data and secondary data. In a primary data, the data is collected directly by the investigator. That means investigator went to survey, get the data from the different persons by interviewing them. Or investigator went to the plant, observe its characteristics, measure the plant height, how many leaves are there, how many branches are there. He quantifies the yield of crop. So that is what he goes directly to the source. So he collected the data called as primary data. While as in the secondary data, the data already collected by someone and made available for investigator, like a report. Now at present we have the number of persons who got vaccinated. So over the different states, how many persons got vaccinated? This data is collected by government agency and it is published in the newspaper or report or in the website. So such data will be called as secondary data. Based on the nature, data classified as qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative data also called as categorical data, while quantitative data called as numerical data. The categorical data is nothing but it describes the particular element of population, like color of flower. So here the color will describe the flower, the red color, yellow color, white color. These are the description of flower. Whereas in quantitative data we quantify the element, how much it is. Rice yield, how much rice yield is there in kg. Number of panicles per tiller, how many panicles are there for each tiller, 2 panicles, 3 panicles. Amount of rainfall, whether it is a 25 centimeter, 10 centimeter or 10.5 centimeter, we are measuring in the some numerical values. So it is a numerical data. Again, quantitative data classified as a discrete data and continuous data. In a discrete data, the values are as a whole numbers, such as number of panicles, like 2, 3. While in continuous data, values can assume the any number between two numbers, like amount of rainfall 25.5, 25.7, 25.8, 28.7. So here the values can be assumed between 25 to 30. So it will be any number, or you can take 25 to 26. There will be different values in these two number values. It is a continuous data. So this is not observed in discrete. Discrete means 25 and 26. There is no number in between that. Okay. So in continuous we can assume the 25.5, 25.7, 25.8, 25.07. Likewise we can assume the different points or different values between two numbers. Now based on the nature, data is classified as univariate data, where the data is under only one variable, plant height. So we have the different values of plant height. Bivariate data, where data is related with two variables at a time. So we are having the plant height and the yield. Okay, particular sample will have, particular plant will have its yield and its plant height. So these two variables are considered at a time. It will consider as a bivariate data. So in this case we can study the how one is related with other. So that we call as bivariate data. Next one is multivariate data. Multivariate data is nothing but when we are considering more than two variables at a time, it will be considered as a multivariate data. Time series data, the data which is written or which is in the form of over the times, like production of rice production of the 1980, 1981, 1982, over years what is the rice production. So here we can see the trend of data. Next we are having the cross sectional data, the data where more than one variable at a different time or same time period. That means over a different state and over the different years, it is called as cross sectional data. Next is geographical data. Data is classified based on the location, like different states are there. Okay, Delhi, Mumbai, likewise different locations are there. We are having this location particular amount of rainfall. So this is what geographical data. So this is how we can see that data and its classification.